Hello, dear students. Welcome back to e-classes of PNMSC High School, Organization of Commerce Standard 12. So today, let's continue with our next topic, that is Concept of Principles of Management of chapter number 2. According to your textbook, Concept of Principles of Management highlights some of the points that we are going to study today, one by one. First one is, it is combination of both arts and science. As we have studied that management includes principles that are based on some facts, logics, observation, just as science. And to manage all things properly or in orderly manner in the organization, managers require skills, cleverness, intelligence, proficiencies to get the work done. So managers should have art to get the work done. So it includes principle just as science, and management requires art to get the work done. And thus it can be said that management is a combination of both arts and science. Second one is not rigid. So principles of management are not rigid as science because they are related to human behavior. These principles of management have a direct connection with human behavior. We can say that management are based on human behavior. As human behavior cannot be same of each and every individual working in organization, it varies from person to person and from time to time. So considering these things, principles of management cannot be rigid. It can be changed according to the circumstances or the situations in business organization. And principles of management also changes due to new technologies in the market. So business unit has to bring modernization to cope up with the present trend of market and to survive in market. So wherever there is a need to change, principles of management can be changed. It cannot be stick to the principle of management made in the past by experts. If the circumstances demand to change, so principles of management can be changed. So we can say it is not rigid as science. As it is not pure science, it is science. Management is science, but it is not pure science because it is not rigid as science, it is flexible. Other thing is third one, that is a perfect guideline. That means principles of management plays an important role of guideline for managers so that they should get the ideas how to do the work, and it also helps them to take the right decisions at right time. That means there should not be delay in taking decisions. That is very important, and this is only possible because of principles of management that are given by experts, because principle of management prepares the managers to deal with the particular situation, and so there is no delay in decision taking. The fourth thing that is highlighted in your textbook, that is, it is to understand the difference between the principles of management and techniques of management. Techniques means methods, procedure or steps to do the work and to achieve the targets, while principles of management means guidelines for decision taking and to implement them. So both of them should be very clear. Principle of management is different and techniques of management is different. Principle means guidelines for the managers and techniques means method or process or steps to do the work. In next video, we are going to study about nature of principles of management.